I'm on the roof today here at Moss Landing. This is an awesome project at the Moss Landing power plant. We've been selected to provide the roofing. This building used to be the turbine room, but it's being converted to battery storage, pulling renewables off the grid, storing them, and then doing a redischarge. It's actually the world's largest battery that our SPF roofing system has been selected to protect. These are new vents that are actually providing the ventilation for the battery system. We've got them protected with masking as we're finish up in our spraying. In this section, we've got spray foam and base coat completed, and the guys are working on the top coat installation right now. But it is a beautiful day. I'm wrapping up this project.